What's up guys? Today I didn't know what to do, so I checked online what's good activity here, and one of them is washing elephants. Let's go! Oh my god, I can't wait guys. Can't wait. Look at them! There's a small one. We got some yummies for the elephants. What's his name? What's his name? Haya? Haya. Can I touch him? Can I touch him? Oh, good boy. He likes it. So, after Haya finished the full plate of bananas, it was time to say goodbye to this little fella and continue with our adventure. Next part was bath time. He's grabbing my... Hey! Oh. Hey! Oh. We want a snack! This is so nice, boy. Hư Chiên qua tớ. This is where it's going to happen. Me and the elephant, one-on-one in the octagon. Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, okay. Ah, yes.
Take a photo? Yeah, yeah.
Go, okay. Go, Derek. Go. That's a big body.
Oh my god guys, that was so nice. Me and Haya had an absolutely great time together. After feeding him and washing him, I guess he wanted to say thank you, but in an elephant's way.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Everyone, go!
Here?
Down.
It's my best friend now. Little snack on the road. Yeah.
Right now.
Hey. Now the last one. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. I just finished my time with the elephants. I was washing them, feeding them, and I can tell you it was such an amazing experience. I'm so happy that I came here. It was worth every money I spent here. It was 2,000 baht, so nothing crazy. And I'm telling you, like, come here. I can highly recommend this place. Don't ride the elephants, just do this instead. Come here to wash them, to feed them, to hug them, to kiss them, do whatever you want, and you'll be happy guys. It was unreal. It was very nice experience. I'm glad that I came here. And I didn't do any like booking advance. I just jumped on the motorbike, I came here, and it was worth the trip. And let's continue somewhere else. So another stop is Waterfalls, guys. Let's go, let's explore this part of Phuket. So it'll be a little bit of hike again, because yesterday I did a very nice hike in the south of Phuket. It was amazing, and this looks pretty cool too. And this is supposed to be the way to the waterfalls, so let's see. Starting to be a little bit tired, but it is what it is. It will not stop me, guys. The reason why I'm here is to explore, not to sitting at the hotel. So it's a little bit weird because there's nobody, and I hope there will be still waterfalls because it's actually pretty dry right now. Dude, it's so steep. Whew. Look at that. Let's go. Only thing I'm a little bit scared of is like when I walk, I hear all the small little sounds like moving around me. Probably like lizards, probably like snakes too. So that's the only, I'm in flip-flops right now, so something bit me. I love you guys. See ya.
One eternity later.
Finally, I found the waterfalls. Check on the Google Maps. There's no waterfalls right now. Oh my god. Now it's dry season, so no waterfall, guys. We need to find something else. It's alright. So yeah, after the amazing waterfalls, this was the next stop, the Big Buddha. The big statue in the middle of Phuket. The symbol of harmony and spirituality. Man, I really like this place. It was a stunning viewpoint with the view on the whole Phuket. But anyways, it was time to go, and let's make it to the last stop. I was looking for a place where I can just take a coffee and chill for a bit. And this place, like 5-minute drive from Big Buddha, had a stunning sunset viewpoint. Thank you for watching, guys, and feel free to subscribe for more adventures. See you next time.